Webinar workshop announcement this Wednesday, July 13th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Attend live or get the replay link. Good for 1 week only. Register at www.tinyurl.com/email marketing workshop 1. That's the number 1. Email marketing, the ridiculously easy way to grow your business with 7-step guide to creating an email marketing campaign. Did you know studies show people typically need to be exposed to your brand 8 to 12 times before they will buy? One post or one ad alone isn't going to cut it. A great way to keep in touch and nurture relationships with leads, prospects, and potential customers or clients is with effective email marketing. Email marketing isn't just about collecting leads or getting your messages through, but getting your emails open, avoiding spam and promotion filters, truly understanding your open and click-through rates, and how to make more money with email marketing. In this workshop, we'll be covering why email marketing is important, an email marketing glossary of terms, how email marketing works, growing your email list, how to create an opt-in form that converts, segmenting your email list, and improving email open rates and more. All of this will be discussed this coming Wednesday, July 13th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Register to attend live or get the replay link. Good for 1 week only. Register at www.tinyurl.com/email marketing 1. That's the number 1, and we'll see you there.